Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this simple card with the Greatest Journey suite. This is a simple card that I made with the Greatest Journey bundle, part of the Enjoy the Journey suite. I started off by just using the designer series paper. There's a sheet that just has all of these trees. So I'm going to just adhere one of these pieces down. Next, I have stamped and cut out some trees on garden green, and I used the die set that goes along with the stamp set. So this is the bundle with a lot of fun extra dies. I also used this ridge die to create a little mountainous ridge for the card. So I'm just going to put these on dimensionals. And I'm just going to put dimensionals along the bottom so that I can place the trees down inside. And I made this 4 1/4 inches wide. And I'm going to put some trees down over here. And then I can put some trees up here and then some trees over here. Now I'm just gonna stamp a sentiment and a moon. So I'm gonna use "This moment is the start of something great." And I'm just gonna stamp it up here in this corner. So now I'm gonna stamp the moon in basic gray over up here in the corner. The fun part is I'm going to add some Wink of Stella to some of the trees. So I'm just going to mimic some of the tree leaves. I'm going to add some to the moon. And there we have our Greatest Journey card.